Turmeric is more than just a common spice. It's an anti-inflammatory powerhouse of the superfood. Now you can enjoy it as a treat too, with these sweet and snackable bite-sized coconut macaroons. To make our macaroons, we'll add some blanched almond flour to a food processor, as well as some unsweetened shredded coconut. We'll spoon in some coconut oil, a little vanilla extract, and some coconut sugar. We'll add our wonderful turmeric powder and a little bit of sea salt. And we'll process this until the coconut is ground down and the ingredients are well combined. To form the macaroons, we'll use a melon baller and pack the mixture tightly inside before releasing the scoop, and repeat with the remainder of the mixture. And we'll refrigerate the macaroons for an hour to solidify and keep them refrigerated until they're ready to be enjoyed. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.